Alright, so today is April 19, 2025. This is a letter to myself. These are some words to myself that 6 months from now, I see myself driving my dream car, one of my dream car. Could be a Audi RS30, could be a BMW M4, who knows? But I'm speaking it into existence right now before it happened. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Bullshit Villain back with another one, and today we in a fucking Maserati and we running late. We gotta drop this shit to the airport. First thing first, we have to clean this thing up. It's pretty dirty, as you can see, and we definitely gotta clean the inside. We gotta get it ready for a customer, and we only have 1 hour to do so. So right now we about to go to the car wash, and then we gotta go to the trenches so I can grab my SRT. Somebody can drive me to the airport, pick me up, and should be good for the day. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm just waiting here in line to get my shit cleaned up, and check this out. I don't know much about fucking BMWs, but this look like an M3, and we have one of those too, and it's a drop top. Y'all motherfuckers ain't ready for this though. Soon. It's a drop top. I believe it's a black one, not a white one, but this one looked pretty nice. But soon we're gonna be driving this. All right, guys, we are done. We are finished. It's looking all clean. We ready to go. First thing first, I gotta head back home. Don't sleep on these fucking Maseratis, man. They pretty fast. We are back in the fucking trenches. I'm about to grab the SRT, and then we're gonna head to the airport right now. Let's get into it. Guys, finally we're in the fucking SRT. Right now we're rushing to the dealership, possibly getting a fucking Tesla Model 3. How do you feel about this?
Very excited.
We're going there right now, so we're like 2 minutes away, so let's see what happens. All right, guys, so we're here. This is the fucking Tesla. We're looking at this shit. If it makes sense, probably gonna buy it. Let's just see what happens. All right, so guys, I did not buy the Tesla. I wanted to buy it cash, but for some reason, they would not let me buy it cash. They told me it was for finance only, which is kind of fucked up. If I have the money for the car, you know, why won't you give it to me? But anyway, man, the drop-off was pretty cool. I got to pick up the car tomorrow. On the next video going to be very important, because that's when we're finally going to decide that enough is enough, right? All the cars that we want, we're going to get it. We're going to get the cars that we want. We're going to get the Lambo pretty soon. But before we do that, we have to be prepared for it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to lay the foundation. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do it with no fear. So let's get into it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. See you on the next one. All right, so today is April 19, 2025. It's like 11:44 right now, if I'm not mistaken, or 11:30. But 44 sound a lot better. This is a letter to myself. These are some words to myself that 6 months from now,
I see myself driving my dream car, one of my dream car. Could be a Audi RS3, could be a BMW M4, who knows? But I'm speaking it into existence right now before it happened.